Yo, what's up guys, welcome back to the channel. Bit of a late start to a video, but just Connor's on his way down from Colchester. A lovely little introduction to him when he gets here. Mainly just to go through, we need to sort out our website for Lowkey. We have merch, we've made hoodies and that I'll show you in a minute behind me. We've had some products made previously, probably over a year now. They've just been going to like close friends and whatnot. But yeah, we have stickers available, hoodies available, so we're trying to sort out new t-shirt designs, etc. The main point of this video, tomorrow we're going to be installing the Coilovers to the E36 max speed and rods. Kind enough to sponsor and send me a free set of Coilovers. So they're going on the E36 that no one's seen yet, so I'll take you through that. And then there's probably a little update on the S15. As you can see, I'm sat in some tasty bucket seats. These are the Funky Queen Vertex Bride seats. Managed to secure this other set because I already have the King Vertex seats in my S15, so these are going in something else. Managed to secure these. I wanted these seats originally, but couldn't get any. Ended up getting the King version. We had some designs made up. This was the original print we had made of my S15 when it was red. He can't do this. They can't do the print anymore, so these are literally gone. We don't stock these anymore, but we're just showing you sort of what sort of designs we're doing. That was the little logo on the front, Lowkey logo. The main hoodies we're selling now, the ones we do really like, just simple. This is the pink version with the white stitch. As you can see, top quality stitch in there. Nice little Lowkey logo in there. This is an extra large. They're really silky, like the quality, like you probably can't see it on camera, but so warm and soft inside. Proper nice hoodies. So that's the main thing for tonight really. It's going to get the website up and running, sort things out so we can offer these stuff out to you guys. Oh dear.
Where am I parking?
Over there, in that space. What are those wheels? What's up, G?
Hello.
Good. There we go.
Hello, welcome back. It's the next day. I'm here at Jez's house with the S15 and Jez.
A little update on the S15. The air ride's been sold. Got a custom set of BCs on the way. Hopefully be here this week. The VSKFs are off because they're getting traded for another set of works wheels. And yeah, going to be taking some camera out, making it more of a driftable setup, and yeah, use it for what it was meant for. Managed to get some interior, going to be fitting some interior to it, try and quieten it down, make it more comfortable to drive, and then hopefully get an exhaust that's actually got a silencer in. Pretty much it for the S15, but today we're going to be working on this lovely little shit box.
Bonnet is in tip-top condition.
Oh yeah, lovely patina. Yeah, this is my E36. It's a 318. Man, it's got 328 eye lump in it, stroke 6. Bit of a basher, use it for drifting. As you can see, had a slight accident last time I was drifting. Sort of snapped the suspension bolt. Yeah, so today we're just going to be fitting new coilovers for this. Max speed and rods, we're going to have to send us a free set of coilovers. Yeah, if you want to have a look at their coilovers, there'll be a link below.
So we got a package from Max Speed and Rods.
Cool. Lovely camber adjustable top mount.
Find Jez to see what he's doing. Playing with the S15.
Doing bits.
What are you doing?
Cable tying these up so I can use these jack stands.
Brilliant. Word on the street is you don't actually need suspension. We just like to leave the old brake setup sitting on the floor. A little bit about me. I'm Connor, or Danny Lenko Media on Instagram. Yeah, so I came down to Lovestuff last night, filmed with Jez, set up some website bits for Lowkey, so we were working on that last night. We're out here doing some bits to the car. I came down yesterday in the new daily, fresh new daily, while the new project's on the way. The point of this E36 is, admittedly, it has seen better days. So it's not in the best of condition, but film as much as possible, fixing it up, getting it back in a good working, good looking state, because it's got potential.
I hit a curb when I was drifting, and yeah, good job, good job. This is going to be fun. Can you open the bonnet? Beast. Engineering at its finest.
Mechanic.
Oh no, did I not disconnect that? No, it's disconnected, it's fine. Oh god, rail. That is
We've got the old coil out, got the new coil side by side. Got this side basically all in, just doing up a few last bolts.
Well, every bolt I've come across so far, nut, they're all different sizes. Yeah, look, the threads are all gone. They're pooped.
There's always one bolt that causes a bit of difficulty. I think that's tight.
You reckon? Yeah, so they've put a load of washers under here to space this out to stop from hitting this there, even though when the engine runs it looks like it hits it, but so slowly, when you tighten these up, it's slowly eating its way through the metal. The spring's loose here. You know, when you put this up to it, you want to adjust it so it's got, normally your C spanner's like probably like that thick, so when you do BCs they tell you to put these in between, adjust your spring tension up so there's that gap, and then go from there. Setting your preload, so to speak. Yeah, so I've just set the preload on the springs. Normally you go from loose spring, you put this collar up to the bottom, and then you basically adjust your spring up. I don't normally use C-spanners. Where's my anti-roll bar? I realise there's no anti-roll bar because there's an anti-roll bar drop link. I do not have one, so no anti-roll bar. Ah, can't have one. It's got a 328 in it, so no roll bar for me. Yeah, so this coilover's done, but I need to put all these on the tire machine and balancer at the unit. Well, mainly the balancer of the unit. They've been bashed about so much. I think this one's buckled, rear left's buckled. I think the rear right and front left are okay, but I just need a new set of wheels, to be honest. I love it when you put suspension on a car and you end up with more bits. That means you've done the job right. Magic. Ah, yes. I know what I've done wrong.
What have you done wrong?
I didn't measure it.
It only took us, what, like 6 hours? What, about half an hour, maybe less?
And that was the one that was broken, so.
Yeah, considering previously the wheel was stuck out to like here, I'd say that's a pretty decent improvement. Everything's all lining up again. Not too bad. This is what happens when you forget to measure how low you've gone.
Shut up. Ah, that was not a good idea. What I've done, I've not released the brake cable. Ow, 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 ow. This is resting on my leg. No, 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 don't move. Don't move.
That's what happens when you don't release the brake cable, mate.
Off. Can you pass me the 12 or 30 or both? Is that we're on? Yeah. 35. Oh well. That's because it's because I set the preload and everything. Heights will have to be done afterwards. We want to get them on.
Both fronts all done, wheels back on, all good. Moving on to the rear. It's flat.
What?
That's flat.
Yeah, it's that one is pooper scoopered. Hi guys, weekend's here again. Need to get into the boom because the strut towers are in the boom. The top bits, damper thing, but I can't get my batteries. So through we go. Be filming me bum on.
Don't look.
This is what happens when you actually need you've got it. Hey yeah.
Okay, little update. I went to go get some food from Tesco's. Came back about half an hour later, and Jez has absolutely smashed out the rear. The other side's done. The other side's all done with the wheel back on, so no point showing you that. But this side, you can see he's left the wheel off, so you can see it's the spring is maxed out all the way to the bottom, so it's going to be pretty low. Max speeding rods. Thanks for the free coils.
Thanks for the f***ing send.
Thanks for the send. Not bad for an afternoon's work. Got all four corners, coils on. This side is now fixed perfectly compared to how it looked before. Well done, the driveway mechanic. On another note, while we're around the front of the car, it's worth mentioning this bracket to hold the kidney grills on is completely mashed up from a slight drifting incident, but coming along together nicely. Bonnet once again, mint condition. It's absolutely perfect.
That's going to be hella low. That's because the damper at least works, at least.
See how low we sit.
The issue is the arches. Oh, we're going down that way.
We're sliding.
Why is that not? Oh, we're not low because the damper's jumped right up.
Apparently we're not low.
Nah, because the damper needs adjusting up to make it lower. Mint. So that adjustment on the damper, adjust that up and it'll sit a lot lower. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed the video. What I was talking about earlier in the video, I managed to secure myself. Let me just show you. This is the carpet anyways. There's some bits there and the rest is upstairs. Actually secured myself some interior for the S15. So basically, let me get back in the light. At the minute the S15 has just got a straight through exhaust shotguns. It's like hella loud. Kind of want to put some interior back into it as much as I can just to make it a bit more comfortable, just to drive, just to be in. There'll be an update on that soon. The Blitz I've already tried on in another video you would have seen, but I didn't get any cinematics of that because the air is currently off. It's been sold. I'm going back to coils. Custom coils have been ordered from BC, so yeah, there'll be an update on the S15 very soon. But hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll see you in the next one.